Hey guys, welcome back to the Pourcon Artist Collaboration here on YouTube. Hope you guys are enjoying it. If you've missed any of the videos, you can always watch back on all of our YouTube channels. There's loads of links in the description under this video. Every artist will be there, and the Pourcon registration link will be there, so you can sign up, which you will want to, because Pourcon Live in Vegas is happening in a few weeks. August 6th through 9th, and I'll be there teaching Dutch pours. Super excited, guys. Never been to Vegas. Cannot wait to see everybody, meet everybody, hug everybody, just to be with everybody. It's going to be so much fun. You don't want to miss it. All right, let's jump in. I'm going to be doing a chaos style Dutch pour, and I will go over the colors for pouring. And again, don't forget, Pourcon Live in Vegas, August 6th through 9th, you need to be there. All right, let's go. All right, so first color we're going to throw down is Pinwheel by This Little Piggy Pigments. And I have it in my Fluid Art Co. bottle. These are fantastic, and even for the pigments, it's just like putting your 24 karat gold in a bottle. You got to shake it. Everything separates. All good. Works for me. Love it. So we're going to throw down some Pinwheel. Okay, and this is a deep edge canvas, so we're gonna have to use a lot of paint to cover the edges. And let's go, oh, that's Athena. Let's throw down some, this is Ultramarine Violet, but I did add a little bit of Payne's Gray to marry the background color that I'm gonna be putting in. Okay, so we'll just drop in some of that. Let's get some Payne's Gray. This is Payne's Gray by Amsterdam. And then we're going to go kind of heavy on this. I want this to be a darker piece. And throw in some Athena. This is Athena by This Little Piggy Pigments. It's gorgeous. Let's see, what else do we get? I thought I had, oh yeah, Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Right, we're almost the coverage that we need. I like lots of paint for these so everything flows nicely. And let's do some titanium buff. Okay, now what do we have? We gotta do this background color. I'm gonna drizzle some black over this. It's just Oxide Black by Amsterdam. Alright. Okay, and I have all this paint left over in these cups, and we need our background color. So what I'm going to do is drop in this Oxide Black with the Payne's Gray. There we go. Whoopsie daisy. And looks like we're going to need a bit more paint, so we're just going to add some. Okay, so now we're just going to blow this around a little bit. You guys see all my stuff blowing everywhere? Did I plan that? Loads of cells. Okay, I'm gonna blow out some of this. This is for my negative space. Okay, I'm gonna grab a spatula and just pull some of this paint out here so we can blow over. I don't have any more of my paint left. I can mix more, but I will try and just use what I have. Like icing a cake. Whoop. Oh yeah, and again, this piece is going to be raffled off at Pourcon. All the pieces are. Completely forgot to mention that. Hello. All right, we'll blow this out a little bit up here. Wow, I'm not really like a purple, violet kind of girl, but I'm liking this. The colors go really well together. Everything's blended nicely. Okay, I'm just gonna blow some of this out. Now I'm just gonna check my composition to make sure I'm happy. It's looking great. Lots of cells. Insane. Very cool. I was kind of going for like the same, I don't want to touch this painting down here, but the same composition, and I think I got it pretty good. I like it when it kind of comes up here and then just shoots just a little bit up there and then there. I wish this was a bit more faded kind of in, so what I'm gonna do, I shouldn't mess, but I'm going to, I'm just gonna, a little bit more. Leave it because I don't want to mess it up. And look at my stuff is blowing everywhere, you guys. Wow, that's gorgeous. Okay, so this piece will be raffled off at Pourcon live in Vegas. I'm gonna touch up all my edges and then I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up so you can see the shimmer. Okay, here we have it, you guys. Don't forget, this piece is going to be raffled off at Pourcon Live in Vegas. So I'm going to bring you guys in. I'm going to hit you with my flash on here in just a second so you can see all the shimmer. And what the Athena does. Okay, I'll be right back with the flash. And here's the flash on. So there's that Athena throwing the gold. And then the pinwheel. That's a duo, so it's going to shift. You can see it shifting to the blue. Look at that. So that's Athena. We like Athena. All right, you guys, on to the next artist video, and I hope to see you guys at Pourcon. Have a great rest of the weekend, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.